Hey, if you've been thinking of moving to Zephyrhills, Florida, stick around. We got a brand new community and we're going to show it all to you
right now.
If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so you can get those market updates in the entire Tampa Bay area.
My name is Debbie Diaz and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group at eXp Realty. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Zephyrhills, Florida.
So we're in Zephyrhills, Florida, new community phase being opened by DR Horton at Abbott Park. They probably haven't had available inventory here in over a year, and they're just opening up another phase of over 250 homes.
Yep. So what's cool about Abbott Park is they are going to offer 3 new floor plans that we have not yet seen. They're going to have a smaller floor plan, smaller than the Alex, but it's going to be a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. That's called the Freeport. They're going to have another one called the Clifton and a big one called the Lakeside, which is going to be a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home. But they're still going to have some of the ones you're familiar with, the Cali, the Hayden. The lot sizes in here are going to be 40s and 50s, so we're going to see 2 different series in here. We're going to see their Express series, and we're also going to have their Freedom series. The Freedom series is just going to be a little bit more elevated. It's going to have the 9'4" ceilings. It's going to have tray ceilings in the primary bedroom or maybe in the dining room. So a nice little new mix that's new here in Abbott Park.
For an idea of where we're at, for you that aren't familiar with Abbott Park, we are just about 30 minutes away from Wiregrass Mall in Wesley Chapel. We are just under an hour away to the downtown of Tampa and just over an hour to Tampa International Airport.
So what we're going to go through now is through one of the new models called the Delray. It's not actually a brand new model. They only build it in certain communities, but it's kind of similar to the Lantana for those of you like that big open floor plan. So we have that one and the Cali behind us, but I think we have so many videos on the Cali, we're not going to do that one. The cool thing about the newer homes in here in Abbott Park, all the homes are going to come with quartz throughout. So you're going to get quartz in your kitchen, and not just there. It'll be in your primary bathroom and also in the secondary bathrooms. And something else new that DR Horton is doing in all the homes now is going to be the vinyl planking on the floors. You're still going to have carpet in the bedrooms, but the vinyl planking on the floors. And then if you go to the Freedom series, you're going to have the glass enclosures in the bathrooms, which are going to be super nice as well.
And as they've been doing for a while, DR Horton, remember when they're building those 2-story homes, they're doing block on block, not just wood on the 2nd story. So nice feature. Also, the incentives are extremely good right now. But those change every month, so we're not going to get deep into those. Make sure you give us a call if you're interested, and let's go check out this house.
All right, let's go. Welcome to the Delray. Actually, one of my favorite floor plans. It is a 4-bedroom home, 2-bath, and just over 2,000 square feet, 2,034 to be exact. Now this home, the Delray, will be featured on the 50-foot lots, and right now they have several that are all going to have water views starting in the low 390s. So come on in and let's check out the Delray. Welcome home. So again, in the newer homes, they are going to feature the vinyl plank throughout, and that's going to go out through the kitchen, living room, and in our wet areas here in the restrooms. So up front, we are going to have 2 bedrooms with a shared bath. First bedroom up front, you can see that they've got a full-size bed in here, double drawers on this closet, and 2 windows, so a lot of natural light in this front room. It is going to be shared, or it's going to be between a full bath with a shower tub combo. We've got gorgeous wood cabinets and quartz there in that bathroom. And this is going to be bedroom number 2. Very similar setup, the double doors on the closets. However, this room is going to have just 1 window, so not as bright, but still nicely lit. As we come back to the entrance of the home, you're going to notice just a nice wide opening. We are going to have bedroom number 3 located right towards the middle of the home. Right now they have it set up as a home office, but it's going to have the same setup with the double doors on the closet. And right outside of bedroom number 3 is going to be your laundry room. So smack in the middle of the house, we're going to have room for your washer and dryer with some storage racks up above. This is going to be the entrance to your 2-car garage. And this is also going to house your hot water heater, which is nicely tucked in so nobody runs into it. So as you come out of the garage, you are going to be welcomed into this gorgeous, open, airy living space. We've got the kitchen where, again, they've done new quartz, undermount stainless steel sink. We've got stainless steel cooktop, and check out this huge pantry. Nicely sized. It's got 3 shelves on it, and then you have a ton of room down there for your big, bulky items. I love the new colors that they're doing now on the cabinets, and actually the new quartz that's going to have the browns streamed through it to match the cabinets. So this is going to be your family room, which is enormous. Check out the size of this wall. So an accent wall would be gorgeous. It is enormous. And you are going to have your dining room just off to the side from your kitchen. So again, you're not going to miss a beat. Everything's going to happen in this huge open space. Let's check out the primary bedroom. So you'll notice the bedrooms do have carpet in them. This primary has a king size bed, and it seems like a very large king size bed, but it definitely has huge end tables here as the nightstands. So you can see you've got a ton of room in here to still put a chase, a chair, even though they have a little section right there, a little nook that's kind of cut out that's perfect for a stool. 2 double windows at the back of the home. So again, just a lot of natural light. And again, another enormous wall to just do some gorgeous colors or wood like they've done here as your accent. So here in the Delray, you will have his and her closets. So you're going to have one on each side. Again, they're doing the vinyl planking in the restroom. So you're getting this same look throughout the entire home. It's not separated with tile, carpet, and vinyl. It's all going to be either carpet or vinyl. Dual vanity sinks. Again, quartz in all the bathrooms. And Freedom Series will now have the glass doors on the shower. We've got tile on the floor and tile on the walls. So a lot of nice upgrades here for DR Horton. And on the rear of the Delray, you are going to get a very generously sized lanai. It is nice and long, so you definitely have room to do an outdoor kitchen, some seating. You could put a grill out here and even extend this lanai if you wanted to with some pavers. Since the Delray goes on a 50-foot lot, you have a lot of backyard space. So this community is going to have a CDD and an HOA. HOA is sitting pretty low at $82 a month. That's going to have your cabana, a pool, tot lot, dog park, and it's even going to include your Wi-Fi, as DR Horton is a part of that UltraFi network. So that's going to be included with your monthly HOA. So if you do have any questions on the Delray or any of the newer models that they are featuring here in Abbott Park, please pick up the phone, give us a call, shoot us a text, drop us a comment below, or even set up a Zoom call, because we would love to help you virtually.